Okay, now in order to have a business, you obviously need to have vendors. So we need to add some vendors. We can click on the Vendors tab here, and that will take us to the Vendor Center. We click on New Vendor, and then we will add a new vendor, entering in the vendor's name and all information that is important to keep track of for that vendor. Okay, when you are entering in a vendor, notice you enter the address down here. If we want to copy this to the shipped from address box, we would click copy here and click OK, and then it is copied. The billed from address and the shipped from address is copied there, so that when we need to print out, say, a check and send it to these people to pay them, this will automatically be filled in. So we're going to click OK there and add a few more vendors. Okay, so I've added several more vendors. I've added the cake shop. That's where we get our cakes from, and notice that it has all of their information, their address, and then another supply company for our party supplies. So, and that also has all the information added here. So next we are going to need to add some customers. So we're going to close this. And sometimes we are going to have customers that are on-account customers or customers that we bill. So we're going to click Customers here, the Customers tab, to open up the Customer Center. We would click New Customer and Job, New Customer, and then we would enter in all the information about our on-account customers. Now remember, this is only for people that would order things from us, order parties, services, products from us, and that we bill to. So I have added the customer Brownwood Skate Rink because they often order party packages from us. And again, we put their address information here, copied it to the ship to, so that when we invoice them, it will automatically be filled in. So we're going to click OK there, and I'm going to add another customer. Okay, so I've added the Boys and Girls Club of Brownwood as one of our customers that normally requests services, party services from us. So I'm going to click OK there. And now I have two customers. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of regular people customers. One other thing to look at when you are adding customers is the Additional Info tab. And you also can put their terms. For example, we can offer them a discount if they pay early, or we can say due on receipt, or we can say net is due in 30 days. So we're going to have a standard of net 30. And you can also down here choose if they are taxed or not. Obviously, an individual that gets services and products from us is going to be taxed, so we are going to choose the state and local sales tax group that we created that contains both the state and the local sales tax. Okay, so we've added a few customers. Now let's go see how this actually works on an invoice and purchase orders.